How to set up passcode to log this chat on WhatsApp problem. So if you want to set a passcode on WhatsApp chat, then first you need to open up your WhatsApp application. Once you open up your WhatsApp, now you just need to simply go with a chat. So for example, I'll be choosing the chat. Once you've chosen a chat, now you just need to simply go with the profile. And if you scroll down here, you will have chat lock option. So if you toggle it on, then you just need to simply enter your mobile lock. Once you enter your mobile lock, then the chat will be locked, right? But if you're not being able to have this chat lock option, or if you're trying to lock and hide the chat and if your device is not accepting it, then the first thing you need to do is make sure that you've locked your phone. So you need to go with your settings. Under settings, you need to go with security and make sure that you have a screen lock on your device. Once you've set the screen lock on your device, then your chat lock will work on WhatsApp. So once you've done that, you can go back and you can set the passcode on your WhatsApp. And after that, you need to restart your device and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can set up your password to log the screen chat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.